Welcome to dotcom.builders. This is my WordPress website, and as you see, it still uses the free long temporary domain from Hostinger. How to connect my domain to this WordPress website? It's simple. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your WordPress website or just below it, you can see click or current domain is temporary, connect domain. You will land on this page. If for whatever reason you don't have this notice here or this connect domain here, you can find it also from these three dots. Click on them and click on connect domain. You will land on the same page. If you don't find this, if Hostinger changes its user interface, you can still go to the dashboard of your WordPress website and you will see it here. Every website needs a domain. Get one now and launch your website. Click on connect domain and you will land on the exact same page. Here, fill in your domain name. For example, mygodaddydomain.com. Do you own this domain? As you see now, this domain is registered, I think, on GoDaddy. Do you own this domain? Yes, use it. This is what you should do in your case, because your domain, because here I'm talking about you already own your domain on Hostinger or somewhere else like GoDaddy or Namecheap. If you don't have have a registered domain yet, when you type your domain name, you will see them trying to register it for you per year. After filling your domain name, click on next. Domain added to your site. Click on continue. And till now, as you see, my domain is not showing up here. I will refresh this page and wait a moment. And just like that, my domain name is connected to my WordPress website. But till now, there is still a step required to fully connect your website, because if I try to visit my website, it still uses the temporary domain. Now, to complete this domain Hostinger connection, click on dashboard. You will see see this red notice. Click on check guide, and here they will give you the Hostinger name servers that you want or that you need to give to your or to set into your domain DNS settings in order to let your domain registrar or domain company, or where your let's say you have your domain is registered at GoDaddy, you should let them know that you are using Hostinger. And how to do this? Just copy the first name server. And for example, let's say your domain is registered on GoDaddy. Go to godaddy.com. Then click on sign in. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Then click on sign in. Then go to your domains list. Personally, I don't have a GoDaddy or a domain name registered at GoDaddy right now, so I will use them. I will use these photos to help you. Go to GoDaddy, log into your account, click on my account, then select domains. you will see your domains or your single domain. Click on manage DNS, this button, or next or below your domain you will see something called NS, which stands for name server. Click on it, you will see this page. Click on change next to name servers, and you will be able to paste the first name server, which is this one. Copy, paste, then copy, and then paste. Click on save and go back to Hostinger. Check this box next to I've changed the name server's records and hit finish. This way you will let Hostinger know that they can start trying to connect your domain with their website, with your website on their servers. Click on close. Now all you need to do is to just be patient here. Changing a domain or trying to connect your domain to your website or to your WordPress website takes time. Sometimes 2 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes, and it can take up to 48 hours. And this is how to connect a domain to WordPress on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.